Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everybody's having a blessed day. I am blessed. Now I will start with my scripture today. I'm taking it from Psalms 18 and 17. He delivered me from my strong enemies and from them which hate me. Okay, the days of the upright shall be forever. Psalms 37 and 18. So, hello everyone. I'm getting ready to make some tea cakes that you would love to make for your Mother's Day. So I'm going to be doing tea cakes that I do have one on my videos as it is right now. I mean that I know I have one that's up already. So this one I'm doing this morning. I'm using 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, I already have it in my.
Oh, sorry, y'all.
Yeah, I know. I still have my other strainer. But I've got it put away and I can't get to it right minute. So I will be using it next time. But I don't have it with me right now. I got it put away and I've been changing things around to get ready for the spring of the year. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding also 1 cup of vegetable shortening, which is the Crisco that I have here.
And that's what she's using, y'all. She got heavy cream, Crisco, vanilla, and bacon powder. And eggs.
Okay. So now I will be getting ready to mix this up with the liquid mixer. Oh, this chair. Okay. Okay, I pretty much have my sugar and the shortening. The sugar and my shortening mixed together. It has to be, and then I'll start adding the eggs to it. I'm just gonna put all the eggs at once.
Yeah, it's supposed to have been 2 large eggs, but she added 3 because the eggs were small.
Eggs are small, so. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding, I have 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. That's what I'm using, heavy whipped cream. Okay. Let me blend that in. Okay. Now I'll be adding a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And with the vanilla extract, I have this is my bacon powder. I have 2 teaspoons of bacon powder. This will go in also. All it will go together now. Okay, now I'm ready to add my
And that's 3.5 cups of flour, y'all.
all-purpose flour. So okay, I'm going to start with this little bit, and then I will okay. I feel the dipper.
Okay, y'all, she's finna start dipping the cookies.
Okay, I've already, this is a parcel paper that I'm putting it on.
Ooh, yeah, I hate this time of year, y'all.
Push that over, it's too close to the end.
Yeah, this supposed to yield 4 dozen, but I don't know because she have a big dipper, so probably
It's
need
supposed to be a smaller dipper, but I don't have the middle-sized dipper, so.
Yeah, we have the tiny one, so she's using that. But it's supposed to be 4 dip. It's supposed to be it will yield 4 dozen with a smaller a dipper a little smaller.
Won't be a good dozen. I need to have flour on something to put them.
Okay, y'all, you get a bowl or something and just kind of press them down some. Are you cooking for 10 minutes? Oh, excuse me. You're cooking for 10 minutes. Okay, she's gonna put these in the oven. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Thank you. Okay, y'all, she made another dozen with the smaller dipper that she has. She's gonna put these in the oven. And I think they'll probably yield about 3 dozen. They're not gonna yield 4 dozen. Even if you did with the smaller dipper, it'll probably yield 3 dozen. Here's the smaller dipper. So she used this size dipper, y'all. And she used this size. All right, thank you.
Okay, Brian, this is my final presentation of my tea cakes, I'm sorry. Okay, so this one, they were supposed to be all made with the smaller dipper. The smaller dipper would have made 4 dozen, but I was in a hurry to get out of here. I have something to do today. So I used the bigger one, and the bigger one on it. We got 12 out of here and 12 out of the small ones. So I'm going to put these on the tray right now, so you can see them how they look. These are they're very good, and they're very big also.
Yeah, they're not supposed to brown anymore, because you brown them anymore, they'll be hard.
Yeah, so they are, but
leave them in there 10 minutes.
Yeah, whatever you like to do for your.
Because tea cakes supposed to be not hard. They're supposed to be soft in the middle.
In the center. That's why you call them tea cakes instead of tea cookies. Okay. So let me get another tray to put the small ones on. Just put them around here? Okay. Now these are the small ones. These are this is the one that the smaller one would have made. Let's call it a 1.5 inch dipper.
Yeah, and that would yield 4 dozen instead of 2.
Okay. These are going to be very delicious. All right, so.
Okay. Here, wait. She finna break one open so y'all can see how it look.
Okay. Okay. I want you to see how this one looks.
So see how it's supposed to be soft in the middle, y'all?
So it's very good. So, is that? Okay. All right, I'm going to take me a bite. Very good.
Y'all, these so good. Oh my goodness. No, I ain't supposed to be eating them. I'm trying to lose weight. Oh my goodness. These would be so good for a Mother's Day gift. You can give them to people. So good.
Yeah.
I remember my grandmother. I remember my grandmother used to love going to my grandmother's house, because she always had tea cakes, always.
No, very good.
Boy, the kids was over here. This thing would be gone in 10 minutes.
At 350, I'm going to have this side. And if you got the larger ones, they're going to take a little bit longer.
But please, y'all, don't overcook them, because they're supposed to be soft in the middle. All right, we finna go. Thank you to all those channel members, the ones get to pay for the membership every month. We appreciate it. To all the loyal, faithful ones that been rocking with us from the get-go, thank you. And to all the new subscribers, we appreciate each and every one of y'all. Sorry, y'all. This tea cake is delicious. All right.
Thank you. Bye. Love you all. From Miss Lena's Kitchen. Miss Lena with all my love. Mother's Day tea cakes. Welcome. Bye-bye.